Think July is too hot to plant? Think again. If you're gardening in Zone 10, this month is actually one of the best times to start growing some of the most flavorful fruits and heat-loving veggies, including bananas.
Yeah, that tropical favorite can take root right now.
July might sound extreme with all its heat and humidity, but the trick is knowing which plants thrive in it. And once you do, your garden can absolutely explode with life. So whether you're a beginner or just want to try something new this season, let's break down exactly what to plant, how to take care of it, and how to make your garden thrive in the summer heat. Zone 10 covers some of the hottest and sunniest areas in the U.S.,
including southern Florida, coastal California, parts of Texas, and stretches of Arizona.
These regions often face daily highs in the 90s and sometimes triple digits in July. But that doesn't mean your garden needs to sit this month out. On the contrary, July is a powerhouse month for certain crops, especially tropical ones. All you need is the right plant list and smart techniques to make it work. Let's start with fruits, the sweet reward of a thriving garden. Bananas take center stage here. They absolutely love heat, humidity, and sunshine. If you've got a sunny spot and well-draining soil, you're already halfway there. July's warm soil helps banana plants establish fast, giving them a big head start toward fruiting. And guess what? With the right care, some varieties can start producing within 9 to 15 months. That's quick by fruit tree standards. Other tropical fruits to consider include papaya, which grows incredibly fast and can produce fruit in under a year. It craves full sun and good drainage, and once it's happy, it just keeps going. Guava is another fantastic pick for Zone 10. It handles heat and even dry spells like a champ. It smells amazing, tastes great, and can be used in everything from juices to jams. Then there's passion fruit. This climbing vine grows fast and does really well in summer heat. The flowers are stunning, and the fruit, tangy, sweet, and packed with nutrients. Plant it near a trellis or fence, and you could be harvesting by fall.
Now onto vegetables.
While some plants struggle in the heat, others absolutely love it. Okra is a prime example. It thrives in hot weather and grows super fast.
Give it full sun, regular water, and within weeks you'll be harvesting pods.
Eggplant is another heat lover that grows beautifully in raised beds or containers. Smaller varieties like Fairy Tale or Black Beauty are perfect for summer grilling and produce reliably with consistent care. Sweet potatoes also deserve a spot in your July garden. They're low maintenance, grow under the soil, and by fall, you'll be digging up sweet, tasty tubers. Bonus, the leaves are edible too and make a great addition to stir-fries or salads. Peppers, whether sweet bells or spicy jalapenos, thrive in the heat. They love consistent moisture and really take off in warm soil. And cucumbers, they're perfect for summer. Fast-growing and sun-loving, cucumbers can give you a steady harvest for weeks. Trellis them to save space and keep the air flowing. Herbs and leafy greens might not sound like summer crops, but a few key varieties are built for the heat. Basil is at the top of the list. It loves sun, grows fast, and thrives in containers or garden beds. Just pinch off the flowers to keep the leaves coming. Try different types like Genovese, thyme, or lemon basil. Each adds its own flair to summer dishes. Malabar spinach is a leafy green that behaves like a vine and doesn't wilt in heat. It tastes similar to regular spinach, but handles high temperatures without bolting. Grow it on a trellis and enjoy thick, juicy leaves from now until fall. Lemongrass is another summer winner. With its citrusy flavor and pest-repelling properties, it's perfect for teas, soups, and marinades. It grows quickly, needs little care, and adds a tropical vibe to your garden. Now let's dive deeper into the star of this video, bananas. July gives you everything a banana plant wants: long days, hot temperatures, and warm soil. These aren't trees. Technically, they're giant herbs, and they grow fast. Some varieties shoot up 2 to 3 feet per month. The key is to get them in the ground now so they can build strength before the cooler months. Dwarf Cavendish is a popular choice for backyard gardeners.
It stays compact and produces sweet bananas within a year.
Rajapuri is another favorite known for its wind resistance and sweet flavor. And if you're after something different, ice cream bananas, also called blue java, have a creamy, vanilla-like taste that's a total showstopper. When planting bananas, start with rich, well-draining soil, the kind that's loose and packed with organic matter. Compost is your best friend here. Water deeply 2 to 3 times a week in summer, but make sure the soil dries slightly between waterings. Bananas don't like soggy roots. Place them in full sun at least 6 to 8 hours daily and protect them from strong wind. Use a balanced organic fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks to keep them fed and growing. And give them space. Even dwarf types need 5 to 8 feet between plants. One thing to remember, each banana plant produces fruit only once from its main stem. After harvest, that stem dies, but pups, baby shoots, will pop up from the base. Leave 1 or 2 pups to take over and keep the cycle going. With consistent care, your banana patch can provide fruit year after year. Let's talk about common July gardening mistakes so you can avoid them right from the start.
First up, planting cool weather crops.
Don't do it. Lettuce, broccoli, and spinach will bolt in this heat and leave you frustrated.
Choose heat-tolerant crops that actually want July sunshine.
Another mistake is watering too much or not enough. Many new gardeners think they need to water daily in summer, but overwatering can drown roots, while underwatering leads to wilted, stressed-out plants. Instead, water deeply 2 or 3 times a week so the moisture reaches the root zone. And always check the soil before you water again. Skipping mulch is a big miss in hot weather. Mulch keeps soil cool, locks in moisture, and stops weeds from taking over. Use straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves, whatever you have, and cover the ground around your plants with a 2 to 3 inch layer. Watering in July is all about timing. The best time to water is early in the morning before the sun gets high. This gives your plants time to absorb water without losing too much to evaporation. Evening watering can work too, but make sure foliage dries quickly to avoid fungal issues. Water deeply and slowly so it sinks into the soil. Don't just spray the surface. Now, let's boost that soil. Your plants are growing fast in July and they need fuel to keep going. Use a balanced organic fertilizer, something like a 5-5-5 every few weeks to keep nutrients steady. For heavy feeders like bananas or eggplants, a fertilizer slightly higher in nitrogen helps build strong foliage. Compost tea is an easy, natural way to boost growth. Just steep some compost in water with a bit of molasses, strain, and pour it at the base of your plants. It feeds both the plant and the soil microbes. Also, top dress your garden with compost or worm castings every few weeks to improve structure, water retention, and fertility.
Finally, when will you see results?
Fast growers, like basil and okra, can be harvested in just 3 to 4 weeks. That's a quick win and keeps motivation high. Eggplants and cucumbers take a bit longer, around 45 to 60 days, but they'll start producing within weeks if planted now. Sweet potatoes take more time, around 90 to 120 days, but remember you get to eat the leaves while you wait. And bananas? They're the long game. But the faster they grow this summer, the sooner you'll enjoy homegrown fruit. Plant them now, and with the right care, you'll be harvesting in under 15 months. So here's your July gardening game plan for Zone 10. Stick to heat-loving plants, water smart, mulch generously, and feed your soil. If you do all this, your garden won't just survive, it'll thrive. From bananas and guava to okra and basil, this is your chance to grow something amazing in the middle of summer. If you found this helpful, go ahead and subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what you're planting this month. Got a question about bananas or anything else we covered?
Leave it below. I read every comment and love helping fellow gardeners.
Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!